COVID-19 vaccine. Russia to start large-scale vaccination too? Russia doesn't seem to like what's happening in the UK. The latter recently approved the deployment of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. The British government scheduled the vaccination of some population groups next week. Now, Russian President Vladimir Putin ordered mass immunization in the country. While it looks controversial, the order may counter the rising cases in Russia. If the Gamaleya vaccine works, early deployment may save people in vulnerable population groups. President Putin issued the order via video conference with other Russian officials. It happened hours after the British government announced an upcoming vaccination. According to NPR, more than 2.3 million COVID-19 cases are reported by the Russian government. This makes Russia with the fourth highest cases in the world. The country also reported 41,053 deaths due to the coronavirus. Whether controversial, millions of Russians need an effective solution to combat the disease. The Sputnik V vaccine was announced registered on August 11. A post by the Kremlin noted Healthcare Minister Mikhail Murashko reporting the vaccine's early trials. Those trials were conducted in the Sechenov University of the Healthcare Ministry and a part of the Burdenko Military Hospital. Based on interim findings, the vaccine elicited immune responses among participants. The drug was found generally well tolerated. No participant reported serious complications or side effects. Even after the trials ended, investigators still monitored the health status of vaccinated participants. The monitoring would show additional data in efficacy and safety outside a controlled setting. Later trials were performed in two other sites, the Gamaleya Center of the Russian Healthcare Ministry and the Binopharm Company. In a report by Axios, there are two main factors to consider the sudden mass vaccination plan. First, there are so many cases in Russia indicating a possible problem in pandemic management. But they have a vaccine, so why not deploy it? Putin mentioned before that doctors and teachers are the first to get the drug. Second, Russia announced that the Gamaleya vaccine exhibited 92% efficacy. This was revealed a day after Pfizer said their vaccine is 90% effective. Yet, Pfizer's final data confirmed 95% efficacy in young adults and 94% in older adults. Then, Russia followed it with more than 95% efficacy on its Gamaleya vaccine. True or not, Sputnik V alone should slow down the COVID-19 surge in the country. But without information on what's going on, no one could be sure if there is an issue with the local dose availability.